Same frame rate, lower temps and power. Here's how to undervolt your Nvidia card step by step. Whatever most guys get wrong, don't drag the curve down. Lift 1 point up to your stock clock and flatten everything to its right. Start with the setup people skip. Install MSI Afterburner, only from MSI.com or Google 3D. Disable Norton 360 for gamer and install. Accept RivaTuner Statistics Server during install. Open the settings cog, tick unlock voltage control and unlock voltage monitoring. Hit apply and restart the app. Skip this and the curve won't move. Run a game under heavy load and let it warm up a few minutes until the core clock stops bouncing and settles. That settled number is your target, not the cold peaks. Open the curve editor in the bottom right. Knowing game voltage on a laptop, read it off the editor itself. The bottom axis is voltage. Trace your settled clock across to the curve. Note the voltage beneath it. Then click the point one step lower. I'm averaging around 2000, so I'm clicking just below the 2000 point. Hold shift and drag it up till it matches your settled number. Highlight that point and everything to the right of it. Hold shift, press enter twice to flatten. Apply and save. Test 1 to 3 minutes. If it's stable, drop 25 millivolts and repeat until it crashes. Then add 10 back. Save it to a profile spot. Once you do that, your card holds the same clock at lower voltage. Cooler, quieter, same FPS. Enable Start with Windows in the settings cog to apply it on every boot. If this helped, let me know in the comments below.